Hey there, scrapper people. Today we're going to do this here garbage sink disposal. It weighs 12 pounds, 2.9 ounces as it sits, and it's a Badger half horsepower. So we're going to take it apart and see what we get out of it, and see if it's worth it, and have fun while we do it. So please stay and watch, and let's get it done. Such a beautiful day today. No wind, no rain, no snow. A little cloudy out, but nice and warm. Great day to be tearing something apart. Hopefully you don't find nothing nasty in here. Piece of plastic. Hopefully we'll have copper, not aluminum. Not so sure how that comes off. That seems to be all plastic. Oh, we found something nasty. See if this pops off. Don't look like that pops off very easily. Oh, that came right out, didn't it? Let's hope that's copper. That is a bust. It is not copper. That is aluminum. So it is all aluminum. So I guess we'll see what we can get out of it anyway. Just being metal. There's a little bit of wire down there. But that sucks. Kind of hoping that was copper. So I'll finish getting this off and then we'll be back. I just might go ahead and cut that. It doesn't look like it'd be hard to get out of there. When we went this far, you know it's not going to weigh nothing. We'll see what we will get out of it. So I'll get that out and then we'll be back. Okay, scrappers, we're back, and as you can see, the steel was 10 pounds, 3.8 ounces. Now, if I would not have took this aluminum off and just left it as shred, it had been 10 pounds, 12.6 ounces. Didn't gain a whole lot, but it is aluminum, so, and it really wasn't that hard to get out of this. The aluminum cast that we got, 1.1 ounces. The brass weighs nothing. And maybe a half a cent, I'd say there. Did get a little bit of insulated copper wire. It weighs 0.3 ounces. 0.4 ounces. And the aluminum that we got weighs 8.7 ounces. So that was all we got out of that garbage disposal. Wasn't a whole lot. It's fun taking it apart, see how it worked and what it was made of, and yeah, not worth it, but now you can see if you get one, just throw it in the shred unless you do want to get the aluminum out. I mean, it didn't take long, so if I found another one, I'd probably just go ahead and take it out. It took me maybe roughly 2 minutes to get this out, 3 at the most. It didn't take long at all. But I hope you liked the video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. See ya.